In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join waiting room on Ticketmaster 2026, step by step. If you're getting ready for a big on sale, the waiting room is your starting line. It opens shortly before tickets go live and helps organize fans into a fair queue when the sale starts. Here's exactly how to use it confidently and avoid the most common pitfalls. First, head to Ticketmaster on your browser or the app and sign in at least 10 to 15 minutes before the sale. Logging in early prevents frustrating delays when traffic spikes. While you're there, double check that your payment method and billing address are saved and up to date. This isn't an extra step, just a quick readiness check that can save precious seconds later. Also confirm the sale time in your time zone and make sure you're on a stable internet connection. Next, find your event by searching for the artist, team, or show and open the official event page. Verify you've got the correct date, venue, and ticket type, so you're in the right place when the waiting room appears. Staying on this exact page is important. It's where the waiting room will show up. As the sale approaches, the waiting room typically opens 10 to 30 minutes before tickets go live. When it opens, you'll see a clear prompt to join, often labeled Join the Waiting Room. If you arrive a bit early and don't see it yet, don't worry. Just keep the event page open and watch for the message to appear. When the prompt is available, click Join Waiting Room. That's it. You're in. You might see a confirmation banner or a simple status screen indicating you're waiting for the sale to begin. Keep your device awake and your session active so you don't get signed out. Once you've joined, stay on the page. Don't refresh, don't open multiple tabs for the same event, and don't bounce between devices. Ticketmaster automatically moves everyone in the waiting room into the queue when the sale starts. Refreshing or opening duplicates can interfere with your place and slow you down. When the sale begins, you'll be placed into a queue. You'll typically see a position indicator or a progress bar. This part can take time, especially for high demand events, so be patient and avoid navigating away. When it's your turn, you'll be redirected to the ticket selection page. You'll usually have a limited window to choose seats and check out, so move steadily and follow the on-screen prompts. That's the whole flow from sign in to selection, so you can join smoothly and be ready the moment tickets are available.